everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're not just looking at an app. We're diving into a genuinely super powerful and versatile tool for your rooted Android device, Intercepter-NG. Get ready to transform your phone into a mobile network analysis powerhouse. Now, for those of you who've been with me for a while, you'll remember my previous video on how to install Kali Nethunter on any rooted Android phone. If you haven't seen that one yet, I highly recommend checking it out, because today's star, Intercepter-NG, can actually be found and seamlessly installed directly from the Kali Nethunter store. This integration makes acquiring it incredibly convenient if you're already running a Nethunter setup on your device, making it a perfect companion for your mobile security toolkit. So you might be asking, what exactly is Intercepter-NG and why should you care? Well, it's far more than just another app. It's a comprehensive, multifunctional network toolkit explicitly designed for various types of IT, specialists. Whether you're a security researcher, a network administrator, or just a curious tech enthusiast, think of it as bringing the capabilities of a full-fledged network analysis suite right into the palm of your hand. What truly sets it apart is its ability to consolidate the functionality of several famous, separate tools into one interface, and even more impressively, it offers a remarkably good and unique alternative to the desktop giant, Wireshark, specifically optimized for the mobile Android environment. This means powerful packet analysis on the go. Let's quickly break down some of its main features, because they're truly extensive and incredibly useful. First off, we have robust network discovery with AWS detection. This isn't just about seeing who's on your network. It's about intelligently mapping out your network topology, identifying connected devices, and even accurately detecting the operating systems they're running. This gives you a clear picture of your network landscape. Then, of course, a core and essential functionality, in-depth network traffic analysis. You can capture, dissect, and analyze network packets directly from your phone, giving you profound insights into communication flows, potential vulnerabilities, and what's really happening on your network. Next up, and certainly a feature that sparks a lot of interest, is passwords recovery. And a crucial disclaimer here, folks, always remember to use this feature ethically, responsibly, and only with proper authorization and a clear understanding of your local laws. It's a powerful tool, so use it wisely. And finally, another incredibly potent feature, files recovery. All right, enough detailed talk. I know you're eager to see this in action. Let's fire up Intercepter-NG on our rooted Android device and explore just what this amazing mobile network toolkit can truly do. You won't want to miss this.